Happy Independence Day, Jamaica! Dancehall music icons Shaggy, Marcia Griffiths and Ken Booth were this evening honored with the Reggae Icon Award. At the just concluded Independence Spectacular, the artists who have contributed significantly to the development of reggae music globally were recognized at the televised Jamaica 58th Independence celebration.
These are songs that brings back memories. Here we go.
The event also featured top-tier acts including 2020 Festival Song winner Buju Banton, Kemar Haikon, Beanie Man, Dre Island, Christopher Martin, Tasanchin, Wayne Marshall and Kevin Downswell. The night's celebration Independence Virtual Street Dance continues live on Fame 95 FM, Hits 92 FM and RETV with the captain Colin Hines from Fame 95, from Hits, DJ Roderick, Ricky Trooper and Boom Boom with special guest artists hosted by Jenny and Debbie Bissoud. This year's celebrations are being held inside without an audience due to the current COVID-19 pandemic. That's it for Independence E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.